Okay, so tell your friends, make it fast so we can start it within 2 to 3 minutes, because this part is somewhat confusing, but if you have understood, then it will be very easy for you, because only concept of packages and how we are using in our programs, only that much part is there in encapsulation. Okay, so we will start our lecture. First of all, good morning to all. Today we will discuss here the next OOPS concept part, that is the encapsulation. Okay, till now we have covered Till now we have covered objects, classes, inheritance, polymorphism and abstraction. Now last part is related to encapsulation. This is the wrapping part, means encapsulation is mainly used for the wrap the concepts. Okay, but whenever we are moving towards the encapsulation in Java, there are basically three concepts. First one is a Java package, then access modifiers, and last one is the encapsulation, because to achieve encapsulation process we need to handle packages as well as access modifiers. Okay, so first we will see what is mean by package. Whether you have seen this concept earlier? Yes, anybody has seen these concepts earlier? Okay, from next lecture onwards, I will make your groups. So in group, you have to cover your all the topics and you have to present in the one of the lecture. Okay, ज्यावेळेस तुमचं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर असेल त्यावेळेस एक 20 ते 25 मिनिटं त्यासाठी सेपरेट ठेवली जातील. मी ग्रुप फॉर्म करणार आहे. ग्रुप जरी असला तरी इंडिव्हिज्युअल स्वतःच्या स्वतः प्रोग्राम करायचे आहेत आणि ते इथे डिस्प्ले करायचे आहेत. ओके, so I will decide that strategy at the end of this lecture. First we will cover today's point and then we will discuss that points. Okay, so Yes, Mahesh, it is a collection of related classes and interfaces, right? Okay. Anybody else want to discuss over here? Yes, what is mean by package? Okay. Now see. A Java package is a group of similar types of a classes, interfaces and sub-packages. Okay. Package in Java can be categorized into two forms, built-in packages and user-defined packages. Okay. Built-in packages are nothing but the scanner class, then mat.java likewise. Okay. Whatever packages provided through JDK is nothing but the inbuilt packages, and those packages we are designing as per our requirement. All these packages are called as the user defined packages. Okay. Then there are many built-in packages such as the java language, then aw2, java x, swing, net, io. Currently we have seen some packages related to io, then util, sql, scanner class, etc. Okay. So all these are the inbuilt packages, means already defined in the jdk. Now we have to see over here which are the user defined packages and how we can create it. Okay. Before before creating the program, first we will see what are the advantages of a java packages. Okay. In that first one, java package is used to categorize the classes and interfaces so that they can be easily maintained. Okay. Now we are going to see the concept of encapsulation. Okay. So whenever we will create some class or interface, we have to categorize it, means we have to divide which is the role of that class, what is the information which is stored in that class or that interface. According to that, we have to categorize it into packages. Okay. Then java package provide access protection. Okay, as I have told you, we will cover the access modifier part. So in that case, it provide the access protection. So it will be a one protective part, means it is a wrapping concept whenever we are seeing the access modifiers. Okay. So togetherly packages and access modifiers togetherly form the encapsulation concept. Okay. Then java package remove naming collision. Okay. Means in previous programs we have seen some examples. Suppose I have provided one name of a class and I want to access the same class in the another package. At that time, collision will happen due to same name. But whenever we are seeing the concept of a package, due to package, that collision will not be there. Okay. So first see the encapsulation dividation with the help of a package. So this is the total concept of a package. This is the Java, means main package. Now suppose I am accessing scanner class in my example, which is used for the taking input from the user. In that case, what I have done, Java dot, yes, anybody can tell me. We have accessed scanner class in our program, right, for taking the input. At that time, what we have used, Java dot,
Util.
right, util dot scanner class, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So now see how we are using in our this hierarchy. Java is the main package, right? Then util is the sub package, and in that util one more class is there, that is the scanner class. Okay. So this is the hierarchy of a package. Main package as a Java, sub packages are nothing but the language, util, AWT, swing, likewise, and in that different classes are there. Okay. So in util, array list is there, map is there, which we'll be seeing in the collection part. Okay, Java collection fourth chapter is there, in that we will see this part, array list likewise. Then Java, then sub package is a lang, means language. In that string class is there, system class is there, likewise. Okay, and AWT is related to GUI development. That's why button. Whenever we are creating some buttons, some forms, all these are the nothing but the inbuilt classes for the sub package AWT, and AWT is the sub package for the main package, that is the Java. Okay, so likewise we are designing our own packages, means user defined packages. Okay, now suppose I am creating one program. First of all, I will describe your program, then I will start actual programming concept. Now see, suppose I have created one main class, sorry, main package, which is nothing but this query. Okay, suppose I have given main package name as the Sveri. In that sub package is nothing but our branches. Okay, now suppose for our branch we will take sub package as a CSC and then classes. Okay, now you are in the third year, so we will take it as a TYB, right? So main package is Sveri, sub package is nothing but CSC, and original classes are nothing but the TYB. Okay, so this is the hierarchy for the user defined packages. Likewise, we are creating our own packages. Now, I will show you one example of a package. Is it visible? Yes, is it visible properly? Hello?
Yeah, ma'am, it's visible.
Okay. Now see, first of all, see this folder. In that folder, I have stored these 5 folders right now. Okay. No another folder will be there. Only these 5 folders are there. And this is the example having class name as a simple. Now see what I have done. I have written here package. This is the package name. Okay. While creating your own programs, means own packages, you have to follow one syntax. First one is a package, then your package name, and after that semicolon. This is the main package. Suppose you want to give sub package, then make here dot, add your sub package name. Okay, likewise you can add the multiple sub packages. So this is the main package, my pack. Then simple is the our class in that main method, and only one statement is written, welcome to package. This will be printed on the console, right? Now I have saved this program by name as a simple.java. Now see how to run packages. Okay, means how to run such a programs with those who are having user defined packages. First of all, see, I will tell you how to compile those programs. Okay, first of all, see how to compile those programs. You have to write here Java C minus D, then directory name and your file name. Here file name is a simple. Okay, now see, first of all understand what I have written over here. Java C is nothing but the compiler minus D. Why we are writing minus D? Minus D switch specifies the destination where to put the generated dot class file. ओके, मायनस डी चा यूज काय आहे, जी आपण कंपाईल केल्यानंतर सिम्पल डॉट जावा ही फाईल कंपाईल केल्यानंतर त्याची जी डॉट क्लास फाईल आहे ती कुठे सेव्ह करायची आहे, त्यासाठी आपण मायनस डी ही कमांड यूज करतोय. देन स्पेस डॉट, अगेन स्पेस युअर प्रोग्राम नेम. That dot is nothing but, suppose you want to save your dot class file in another location, then you have to mention the location. Otherwise mention the dot, it means it will be saved in the same folder, means in the same location. So I will show you both the ways. First of all, I have written here dot operator, means only dot. So whatever package will be created, that will be stored in the same folder. Now see at the back side of this command prompt, only 5 folders are there. Now I will compile this program. See what will happen. I will compile this program. Minus D is used for the directory. have kept dot, it means whatever package is there, that is my pack, which will be stored in the same folder. Now see, here my pack folder is get created. It means package is get created. In that package, dot class file is get saved. Understood what I have done? Okay. Should I repeat this process? काय केलं होतं मी आता कंपाइल करताना जावा सी नॉर्मल कंपायलेशन प्रोसेस -d is used for the changing the directory or switching the directory. Dot operator is used to store the dot class file which is present in that my package in the same directory. That's why it is present over here in the same folder, and in that my pack your dot class file is get stored. Now see how to run this program. Right now we have compiled, we have not executed it. For execution purpose, we have to use over here as a Java, then name of that package, because we have stored our dot class file in the my pack. Okay, then name of dot class file. Name of dot class file is what? Simple. Okay, what I have written? Java space my pack, which is the name of the package, dot simple. Simple is the dot class file name. C. Okay, whatever we have written in our program, which is get printed over console window. Okay, here we have stored our program in the same directory. Now I will show you how to save this program in another directory. Okay, now see how we can do it. First I will create one folder over here. Now suppose I have created one folder as a change. Okay, now I have to save my program in this, means my package in this folder. For that, what I have done, I have copied that path. Now see how to compile it. Okay, for compilation purpose, what we have to do, here in place of a dot, you have to mention that complete path. Okay, we have to mention here complete path, but here backward slashes are there, so you have to create it as a forward slashes. Okay, if you want to note down it, you can. Okay, first I will compile those programs, then you can note down it, and then we will move towards the next concept. Okay, now see what I have done. I have written here as. Okay, now see, I will run it. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, I will check it first. Okay, see here, what you have to do, you have to add over here as a all forward slashes. Okay, backward slashes are not allowed. And if now see, इथं स्पेस होती राईट, फोल्डरचं नाव होतं काय, जावा पीजीएम. तर इथं स्पेस असल्यामुळे तुम्हाला हे डबल कोट मध्ये मेन्शन करायचंय, राईट. नाउ your dot class file means my pack is stored in the folder change. See here, ठीक आहे. चेंज मध्ये माय पॅक नावाचं तुमचं पॅकेज क्रिएट झालंय आणि त्याच्यामध्ये डॉट क्लास फाईल आली, राईट. Now whenever you want to run this program, what you have to do, like our first mypack.simple, now here you have to mention the complete path, whether you have stored your program like we have stored over here. So better option is that you can directly go over here, then okay, then your package name, right. Now we are already in this folder, so you can directly do this as a change, then dot package name is a mypack, then dot and your dot class file name. Okay, so when you will run this, now see no class not found definition, right? Why? Because we have not provided here complete path, right? So while doing such a types of a programs, you have to first provide the complete path, otherwise it will create error. So while doing such a programs, you have to make a directory. Okay, how we are shifting that directory, which is the last part of this package, still that point only remember that we have stored our program in the change directory, means in change folder. आता इथून डायरेक्ट स्विचिंग कसं करायचं आहे ते तुम्हाला बघायचं, राईट? नाव सी. Otherwise I will show you over here only, because afterwards it may be become as a confusing one. Okay, so I will show you how to change the directory. कारण आपण सेव्ह करताना कुठं सेव्ह केला होता प्रोग्राम, हा जो प्रोग्राम सेव्ह केलाय त्याची डॉट क्लास फाईल आपण चेंज या डिरेक्टरी मध्ये स्टोअर केली होती, राईट? तर आता ती आपल्याला कोणी यूज करताना कुठे यूज करायची आहे, तर सेकंड फोल्डर मध्ये, right? So for that we need to access the set class path method. ओके, जसं आपण सेट पाथनी आपली सोर्स म्हणजे जेडीकीचं बिन पर्यंतचा पाथ देतो, त्याचप्रमाणे इथे तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे, सेट क्लास पाथ is equal to and whatever you have stored in your that file you have to mention over here. Okay, now see where we have stored our program in the change directory. So you have to first take it, make its copy, then move over here. See whatever I am doing over here, see it carefully. If it is not visible then tell me. Okay, now see इथं बॅकवर्डच स्लॅशेस ठेवलेले आहेत, मी फॉरवर्ड स्लॅशेस घेतलेल्या नाहीत. काय केलं मी, सेट पाथ, आपण जसं सेट पाथ करतो तसं इथं सेट क्लास पाथ केलाय. जिथे आपण फोल्डर सेव्ह केलाय ज्याच्यामध्ये माय पॅकेज हे पॅकेज आहे, राईट? तर तो पाथ मी इथं दिलाय, राईट? त्याच्यानंतर एक सेमिकोलन डॉट सेमिकोलन, कारण त्या डिरेक्टरी मध्ये आपल्याला जायचंय आणि तिथून प्रोग्राम तुमचा इंटरप्रिट करायचा, राईट? देन simple java name of package that is the mypack dot simple. Understood what I have done? I will repeat this process. I have saved this program in the change directory, then I have changed its class path. See one by one what I am doing. First I have compiled this program, I have stored this package in the change directory again, then set class path is equal to, I have set that the path of that directory, then semicolon dot semicolon. It means we have to move inside this package, inside this folder. Then I have made enter, then interpret your program. Understood? Any queries? हे आपण डिफरंट डिरेक्टरीतनं प्रोग्राम डायरेक्टली रन करायचा असेल तर ही प्रोसेस यूज करायची. एकाच डिरेक्टरीत असेल तर डायरेक्टली पॅकेज नेम आणि तुमचं क्लास नेम हे यूज करून तुम्ही प्रोग्राम एक्झिक्यूट करू शकता. ओके, एनी क्वेरीज? Okay, if you want to take down this, take it. I will wait for 2 minutes. You can take down this. Have you done? Okay. So this is the very simple example for the package. Only I have shown you how you can run it in the same directory and how you can run it in the another directory. Okay. Now we will move towards the next part. Next part is nothing but there are three ways to access the packages from outside the package. Okay, so there are three ways. First one is a import package.star, second one is a package.class name, and third one is a fully qualified name. Okay, so we will see one by one. For first we will see package.star, how to access our classes which are present in that particular package. Okay, now I will move directly toward the examples. So first I will go inside the folder first. Again, set path process. Okay, now I will first explain these two programs, then I will move towards the. Okay, now see, I have simultaneously opened these two programs. First one, package name of user defined package is a pack. Class name is a. In that class A, I have written one simple method, that is the message, and in that method I have written here only word hello, not any other thing. Okay, only I have written here as a hello. So this is the first class having name as a, and package is pack, which is the user defined one. Now I have created one second class. In that package name is a my pack. Now we are importing this class in our program. Okay, up till now in the case of inheritance, what we have done, we have saved our classes in the same folder and we have added those classes with the help of a extend keyword. ओके, इनहेरिटन्सला काय केलं होतं, दोन्ही क्लासेस एकाच फोल्डर मध्ये असायचे आणि तो दुसरा क्लास जर मेन क्लास मध्ये ऍक्सेस करायचा असेल तर इनहेरिटन्सची कन्सेप्ट वापरून म्हणजेच एक्सटेंड कीवर्ड यूज करून आपण तो क्लास acquire करून घेत होतो क्लासच्या प्रॉपर्टीज, राईट. बट whenever we are seeing the encapsulation process, in that what we are doing, whatever class which is stored in that particular package we are accessing over here with the help of a pack, means package name dot star. Star means whatever classes which are present in that package, all these classes are accessed over here. लक्षात येत आहे स्टारचं मिनिंग काय आहे, त्या पॅकेज मध्ये असणारे सर्व क्लासेस तुम्ही इथे ऍक्सेस करू शकणार आहे, राईट. देन in that I have written one another class having name as a b, which holds the main method, right? Public static void main, right? Then I have created object of a class A. That class A is present in the package pack. Okay, so object is equal to new constructor of a class A, which is nothing but this one, and then method which is present in class A is nothing but message, right? So we have accessed this message method with the help of a object of a class A. Now see how to run and compile this program. Okay, so first of all take down this screenshot so I can compile and run these programs. Okay, now see how to compile this program. There are different ways. You can compile directly as javac, then -d, because we want to save this program in the same directory. That's why I have written here dot operator. Then name of your first class is a, so you can compile it as a dot java, because first class must be compiled first, then second class. Okay, because big class is acquiring all the properties of a class A, that's why we should compile first class, that is the A, and after that we will compile the class B. Now see, both the classes are useful while implementing this program, so you can write it as a star, means whatever classes which are present in this folder, all classes are get compiled simultaneously. Okay, now see, both the packages are get created, pack for the class A, my pack for the class B, so both the two folders are available over here. Now the main method which is present in the class B, now you have to run this method. Okay, because main method is present in the class B and class B is present in the package my pack. So how we can compile, how we can run this according to previous example? Yes, anybody can tell me? Yes, or should I call names? Okay, just 1 minute, I will call her name. Okay, Pratik Mari, can you unmute your mic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now see, I will open this program in front of you. Okay, now see how you can run it. I have compiled both the programs simultaneously, right? Our main method present in class B and that class B is present in package my pack. तर आता ह्याला रन कसं करणार आहात तुम्ही? ओके, नेक्स्ट पार्ट सांगा. जावा तर मी लिहिलं, जावा हा इंटरप्रेटर आहे, राईट? ऍटलीस्ट ट्राय, नो प्रॉब्लेम. चुकलं तर चुकू दे, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. तुम्ही फर्स्ट टाइम करताय हे.
My
ओके, माय पॅक. देन आपण कोणता क्लास रन करतोय ज्याच्यामध्ये मेन मेथड असती तो, राईट? येस. ओके, जस्ट टेल इट, नो प्रॉब्लेम. चुकू दे, चुकलं तर काही नाही होत, सांगा फक्त इथे. माय पॅक बरोबर आहे, माय पॅक डॉट. ओके, माय पॅक मध्ये आपला कोणता क्लास आहे? बी इज देअर और ए इज देअर? राईट, करेक्ट. ओके, तर आपण बी मध्ये आपली मेन मेथड आहे. ओके, सो आन्सर इज हॅलो. ओके, अंडरस्टूड what is the flow of this program? Okay, what we have done, we have executed the program which holds the main method, and that program means dot class file is present in the mypack. Okay, so correct. Pratik, you have given a correct answer. Okay, so you can mute your mic, no problem. Okay, all of you understood this? Should I repeat this or I can move towards next examples? ओके, ही प्रोसेस दाखवण्यासाठी मी इतके दिवस तुमचे सगळे प्रोग्राम्स नोटपॅड वर घेत होते. ठीक आहे, जर मी इक्लिप्स वर स्टार्ट केलं असतं तर ही जी काही प्रोसेस मी आता तुम्हाला दाखवती ही तुमच्या लक्षात आली नसती. ओके, दॅट्स वाय for till today's date I am taking your all these programs in the notepad with the help of a command prompt. Okay, so from further lectures means from further chapter, third chapter is based on the exception handling. For exception handling also we will use the command prompt only. From next chapter onwards, means from fourth chapter we will start Eclipse or NetBeans. Okay, that's why purposefully I have taken your all these programs on the notepad and command prompt. Okay, okay, have you taken its screenshot?
Ma'am, can you
Yeah.
maximize the window of CMD?
Maximize, okay. Font or completely?
Completely.
Is it properly visible?
Yeah, now is it?
Okay, you can take one by one. For this program, only these two commands are there. Okay, should I move towards next point? Okay, so take down this screenshot also, so I can move towards next point. After completion of this chapter, I will provide you notes as well as whatever programs are available with me in this laptop. I will share with you in zip file. Okay, now we will move towards the next, that is the second part. Right now we have accessed our first part, means package pack.a. ओके, तर pack.a म्हणजेच काय, तर तिथे असणारे सगळे क्लासेस. जर मल्टिपल क्लासेस असते तर तुम्ही स्टार मार्क दिलेलाच आहे ऑलरेडी. सेकंड पार्ट इज नथिंग बट इम्पोर्टिंग द पॅकेज विथ द नेम of that particular class. Okay, so for that I will show you another example. Now see, this is the folder, right? So first I will move inside that folder. Again set the path. Okay, now first of all I will show you both the programs, right? Okay, now see, this is our first program. Same program is there as we have seen for the folder first. Again here same program is there, only accessing part is different. In that program what we have done, we have accessed class A by writing here as a star. It means whatever classes which are present in that pack folder, all are accessed over here. But right now we are accessing a specific class, that is the A. Okay, so program running method is one and the same, right? How to run it? You can directly run all these programs by using star, right? Okay, see here. In pack A dot class file is there, then my pack B dot class file is there, right? Now you have to run the you have to compile both the programs. Now you have to run the program which is holding the main method, which is present in the package mypack, right? Okay, understood? Same program is there, only what we have done, we have accessed this program with the help of a package with class name. In previous program we have directly accessed all the classes with the help of a mark as a star, right? So this is our second example. Okay, so you can take it. Only important part is this one, pack.a. Okay, if we have taken its screenshot, then we can move towards the next example. Okay, now we will move towards the next example. Again, I will shift the directory. Again, set the path. Okay. What is the next part? Next part is nothing but the fully qualified name. How to give complete path in our program. That's why we will move towards that example. Now see, first I will open both the programs. Okay, is it visible? Now see, in first program I have taken same method, that is the message, and only hello message will be printed on the console. But change is over in this class, package MacPack class B. Main method is there. Now see, we have not imported package pack over here in this part. Okay. For that you should use the fully qualified name to create object of a class A. Okay. So now what is mean by fully qualified name? Fully qualified name is nothing but name of the package pack and class which is present in that package, that is the A. So this process, this definition is nothing but the fully qualified name. Okay, and we are creating object for that. आतापर्यंत काय केलं होतं आपण इम्पोर्ट करून घेतलं होतं पॅकेज पॅक आणि ऍक्सेस करताना पॅकेज डॉट ए डायरेक्टली इथे ऍक्सेस केलं होतं राईट. Now what we have done, we have created object of a package dot a over here as a obj and again constructor of class A. Okay, so this process is nothing but the fully qualified name. Now see how to run it. Again same process is there, right? Same process is there. You have to directly compile both the programs. Pack and my pack is get created over here and you have to execute the program, that is nothing but the mypack.b. Okay, understood? So first take down the screenshot of these two programs A and B. If it is not visible, then tell me, I can maximize the font. Okay, so if you import a package, all the classes and interfaces of that package will be imported, excluding the classes and interface of the sub packages. Okay, hence you need to import the sub package as well. आतापर्यंत आपण फक्त packages चेक केलेत. आता इथून पुढे आपण काय चेक करणार आहे? Sub packages. Okay, any queries regarding this? Okay, no queries? Should I move towards next program? First of all, I will come outside this folder. Okay. So next part is a sub package. The package inside the package is called as the sub package. It should be created to categorize the package further. Okay. So suppose I have taken one example. Sun Microsystem has defined a package that Java contains many classes such as a system, string, reader, writer, socket, which we will going to see in the next chapters. Okay, so these are the inbuilt packages, right? These classes represent a particular group, for example, reader and writer classes, which will be used for the taking input and output operations from user. Then in socket programming is there. That's why socket class will be socket package is there, which will be helpful for the creating networking Okay, so this is nothing but the packages, and sub packages are nothing but which are further divided into another packages. Am I right? Okay, so sub package is nothing but the package inside the package. Okay, now I will show you one example regarding that sub package. Again, I have to move towards. Okay, then Java C simple.java. Okay, now see, first of all, I will show you that program. Now see, here is the concept of a sub package. Okay, what I have done here, suppose I have compiled it a simple way, then it will generate dot class file here only. But we have to compile it in the form of a package, right? So how you can compile it? Minus b, then dot, and then compile it. Okay, now your packages get created. Understood the difference between compilation of two ways? जर मी सिंपल नेहमीप्रमाणेच कंपाईल केलं तर इथंच डॉट क्लास फाईल डायरेक्ट क्रिएट होणार आहे. तुमचं ते जो कन्सेप्ट आहे पॅकेज आणि सब पॅकेजचा तो इम्प्लिमेंट नाही होणार. म्हणजेच एनकॅप्सुलेशन अचीव्ह नाही होणार. जर एनकॅप्सुलेशन कन्सेप्ट अचीव्ह करायचे असेल तर व्हॉट वी हॅव टू डू, वी हॅव टू कंपाईल इन दिस मॅनर ओनली. नाव सी, इथे प्रोग्राम मध्ये मी काय केलंय, पॅकेज स्क्वेअर इज द मेन पॅकेज, CSE is the sub package, and TE is the another sub package, right? Means package, sub package, sub package, and in that your simple dot class file is get created. Now see, query, then CSE, then TE, and in that your dot class file is get stored. Understood what I have done? Okay, have you understood up to this? Okay, now you have to run this program. Compile killer, right? Am I right? I have compiled it. Now you have to execute it. For execution purpose, you have to mention complete flow of packages over here. How you can see this flow? First, you have to take Sweri, right? Sweri is the name of main package. Then CSE is the sub package. Again, T is the sub package, and then your dot class file is there, right? So you have to execute it. Okay. Now see what they have mentioned. Only accepted if annotation process string explicitly required. Because I have written here Java C. That's why. Means I'm going to compile it. That is the meaning of this statement. Now see, hello sub package, whatever we have written over here. Understood how to execute the packages which are holding the sub package, then sub package likewise. Okay. Any queries regarding this? Okay, take a note. The standard of defining package is, suppose example is domain, then dot company dot package, right? Now suppose domain is a, suppose we have taken example of a google.com. Okay, in that case, com is our domain, Google is our name of a company, right? Dot package means suppose in that we are searching some data, that will be nothing but the package, right? So these are the some examples of a system which are holding the sub packages. Okay, any queries? So I will come out of this folder. Again I will set the path because for we have to implement another programs also. Okay, so yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
you has given the example encapsulation. Means it is right, but the best example of encapsulation is a class. Means encapsulation is what wrapping up of data.
Right, wrapping
So
as well as providing the protection. right?
Hmm. Then
Okay. Yes.
then a class is our best example of wrapping up data. There are functions which are wrapped in our class.
Okay. But now see, suppose only class is there, but whether that protection processes get completed in the class? Yes. Fiza?
Yeah, ma'am. Uh-huh.
Protection processes get completed only in the class? No,
Mm,
right?
yeah.
That's why package concept is there. Means we have to save our .class file in some another package so we can provide the protection, right? So
Ma'am,
immediately anywhere, yes.
if we give an access specifier there.
Yes, this is one more concept. Okay. After that, I'm going to share these programs with you, means with today's class. Okay. So access modifier is one concept for encapsulation, and one more concept is nothing but the packages. So both the ways are allowed to complete the encapsulation process. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. So next is nothing but the access modifiers. Okay. Before coming to this access modifiers, give the presentee so we can continue this part. Okay. Start calling roll numbers. Roll number one, Swarali. Give the presentee. Roll number two.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Roll number
Okay.
one.
Okay. Written. Roll.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Three,
Present, ma'am.
four,
Present, ma'am.
five,
Present, ma'am.
six,
Present, ma'am.
seven.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Eight. Eight is there.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Nine,
Yes, ma'am.
10.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. 11,
Present, ma'am.
12. Roll number 12. Roll number 12 is there. Absent. 13.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 14.
Present, ma'am.
15.
Present, ma'am.
16. 16 is there. Yes, Pratiksha, I
Present,
have
ma'am.
noted your. Okay. 17.
Present,
1
ma'am.
7. Okay. 18.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. 19.
Present, ma'am.
20.
Present, ma'am.
21.
Present.
Okay. 22.
Present, ma'am.
23. 23 is there. 24.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 25.
Present, ma'am.
26.
Present, ma'am. Present.
Yes, Sakshi.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
26. Okay. 27.
Present, ma'am.
28.
Present, ma'am.
29.
29.
29. 30.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 31.
Present.
Okay. 32. 33. 33 is there. 34. 34. 35.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 36. 37. 37. Suraj.
Present.
38. Okay. 38. Absent. 39. Roll number 39. 40. 40. 41. 42.
Present.
43. 44.
Present.
Okay. 45.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 46. Then 47. 47 is there. 48. 49.
Present.
Okay. 50.
Present, ma'am.
51. 51. 52.
Present, ma'am. 52 present.
Okay.
Thank you.
51 is there.
51 is absent, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Oh,
51.
51 absent है की? Present है, present है.
Okay. Yes,
Present
yes,
है, ma'am.
noted. 53.
Present, ma'am.
54. 54 is there. 55. 6.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 57.
Present, madam.
58. Okay. 59. 59. 60. 60. Okay, present. 61.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 62. 62 is there. 63. Okay. 64. 64. 65. 66.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 67.
Yes, ma'am.
68. 68. 69. 69. 70.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 71. 71. 72. Roll number 72. Then 3.
Present, ma'am.
73.
Yeah.
Okay. 74.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 75.
Present, ma'am.
76.
Present, ma'am.
Who is 76? Okay. 77. 77. 78. 78 is there. 79.
Present.
Okay. And 80. 80. So I will write here absent numbers if anybody is present.
Ma'am, 64.
Okay. 64.
33, madam.
1 minute.
Ma'am,
33.
46.
Yes, yes, I have noted.
Ma'am, roll number 12.
Okay. Okay, still check anybody's remain. 23, 59. Okay. Check from this list. Anybody is present, then tell me right now. So I can mark your attendance. 55.
Ma'am, 72.
Okay. 55, then 57. Abhijit. Okay. Anybody has remained? $59. Yes, I have noted. Yes, Gayatri, I have noted your roll number. Okay. 72, then 20, Siddhali. Okay. Siddhali, have you got the links which we have covered at previously, means our first lectures? पहिल्या सगळ्या लेक्चर्सच्या लिंक्स भेटल्यात तुम्हाला? सिद्धाली, जर नसतील तर सांगा, शेअर करते ग्रुप वरती. येस, जर कोणाला पहिल्यापासूनच्या लिंक्स भेटलेल्या नसतील लेक्चर्सच्या तर आत्ताच सांगा. मी आज संध्याकाळी किंवा उद्या सकाळपर्यंत शेअर करते. बिकॉज आय हॅव टू केप्ट वन टेस्ट विच इज बेस्ड ऑन दिस फर्स्ट 2 चॅप्टर्स. ओके, गुगल फॉर्म वरतीच टेस्ट असणार आहे. 20 मार्क्सची टेस्ट आहे 2 चॅप्टर्स वरती. ठीक आहे. ओके, आय विल शेअर ऑल दोज लिंक्स related to our subject. Okay, I will share these links in your group. If possible, I will share today only, otherwise tomorrow morning. Okay, so in next lecture our test is there, so start preparing. I will share today the second chapter notes. Okay, so start preparing first and second chapter, which will be considered as a ISC1. ओके, जर ISC घ्यायची झालं तर तुमची ही ISC1 म्हणून कन्सिडर केली जाईल. ओके, so prepare it well, which will be helpful for you. Prathamesh, I have taken your roll number. Okay.
मॅडम, नेटवर्क इश्यू म्हणून जरा बाहेर पडलो.
Yes, no problem. Okay, so I will share all those links related to our subject. See it whenever it will be possible, or if you are having any doubt, you can ask me. You can share your programs on this group also, no issues. Okay, जर तुम्ही प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट केले असतील तर तुम्ही ते तुमचे प्रोग्राम्स सोबत तुमच्या ग्रुप सोबत शेअर करू शकता. ओके, इफ यू आर हॅव्हिंग युअर ओन ग्रुप्स देन ऑल्सो नो प्रॉब्लेम, यू कॅन शेअर ऑन दॅट ग्रुप ऑल्सो. And if you are having any doubts, otherwise we will create our own group also. ओके, जर तुम्हाला तुमचे डाउट्स शेअर करायचे असतील तर आपण सेपरेट ग्रुप क्रिएट करूयात, नो इश्यूज. सेपरेट जावासाठी एक ग्रुप तयार करू, तुम्ही सगळे त्याच्यावरती जॉईन व्हा, जेणेकरून तुम्हाला तुमचे प्रोग्राम्स पण शेअर करता येतील आणि जर काही एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट असेल तर ते पण मटेरियल शेअर करता येईल. ओके, now see, I am planning one thing related with you. Okay, so your totally 80 students are there in this division. Okay, so I will make a groups of 10 students. Okay, so total 8 groups are there. Okay, from here onwards on the group I will share one topic with you. Okay, for first group is from first roll number to 10th roll number, right? So I will check a randomly group. In that group, I will provide you one topic. In that topic, you have to create your own notes. You can create slides, or you can create PDF files, or you can write down on your pages and you can make it PDF, no problem. Okay, whatever you want to do, you can do related to that topic, and you have to share those notes with us at the time of a lecture. Okay, those who are having only mobile phones, they can do one more task. See here slides is there, Google Slides. So you can download this app in your mobile. Google Docs is there, Google Sheet is there, and Google Slide is there. See here, Docs is there, Sheets are there, and Slides are there. Out of that, you can download Docs for Docs app as well as Slides app. Google Slides, Google Docs in your mobile phone, so you can write your notes in it. Okay, now see, I will show you one example with the help of a Google Slide. Okay, I have opened Google Slide. You can create your own slides by going inside the blank. Okay, so here you can give name as a title. Okay, so I have given here as a title as a Java, then subtitle, suppose chapter 1, right? I have written here as a chapter 1. Okay, so this way you can create in your mobile also. It will be very easy. Only do one more thing. Don't add any images in it. So it will be very easy. Only write those part you want to highlight in your slides. Okay. So in this way you can select the different slides over here and you can create your own notes and you can share this slide at the time of your lecture. ओके, लक्षात येते. नेक्स्ट चॅप्टर आहे आपला एक्सेप्शन हँडलिंग. एक्सेप्शन हँडलिंग पासून ही प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होईल. तुम्ही हा पॉइंट स्वतःहून तयार करा, चुकला चुकू दे. जो येत नसेल तर तो पार्ट स्किप करा, जो दिलाय त्यातला तेवढाच पार्ट एक्सप्लेन करा. मग मी तुम्हाला परत त्याच्याशी रिलेटेड जे काही पॉइंट्स रिमेनिंग असतील ते मी लेक्चर मध्ये सांगून मग आपण त्याचे प्रोग्राम्स चेक करू. ओके, सो इन दिस वे यू कॅन डू दिस. ओके, सो फॉर फर्स्ट ग्रुप और सेकंड ग्रुप, ओके, मी रोल नंबरची लिस्ट प्रेझेंट करेन तुमच्या ग्रुप वरती. त्या ग्रुपनी तो पॉइंट रिप्रेझेंट करायचा त्या लेक्चरला. यू कॅन टेक हार्डली 10 to 15 मिनिट्स. ओके, इंडिव्हिज्युअली प्रेझेंट करायचंय. सपोज मी आता 21 to 30 हा ग्रुप सिलेक्ट केला तर इंडिव्हिज्युअली तो पॉइंट रिपीट होऊ दे, चालेल. मी ज्याचा रोल कॉल नंबर कॉल करीन त्यांनाच तो फक्त प्रेझेंट करायचा. सगळ्यांनीच प्रेझेंट करावा असं काही नाहीये. मिनिमम 2 आणि मॅक्सिमम 4 स्टुडंट्स इथं प्रेझेंट करतील दर लेक्चरला. ओके, सो यू कॅन बी डू युअर ओन थिंग्स विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दिस पॉइंट्स अँड यू विल फाइंड आउट हाऊ टू orals will be there. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. ह्याच्यामध्ये काही क्वेरीज आहेत? नेक्स्ट लेक्चर पासून हा टास्क चालू होईल. त्याच्यामुळे कसं होईल, तुम्हाला पण तुमचे काही डाऊट्स असतील तर त्या टायमिंगला तुम्ही विचारू शकता. कारण की मी स्पेसिफिक त्या ग्रुप मधले 3 ते 4 मेंबर्स फक्त कॉल करणार आहे आणि जो पार्ट तुमच्याकडून राहिलेला असेल तो मी इकडून एक्सप्लेन करेन. ओके, एनी डाऊट्स? येस. Okay, so I will create separate group for Java so we can share these things. Means which group want to present which topic. All those things will be shared on that group. Okay. If anybody want to create that group, no problem. You can create it. Then only add me over there. Okay. Create करणार आहेत का कोणी group तो? Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, तुम्ही मग ओके ओके, अंडरस्टूड अंडरस्टूड. तुम्ही ग्रुप क्रिएट करा, त्याच्यात मला ऍड करा. मी त्याच्यावरती हे सगळे टॉपिक्स तुम्हाला शेअर करेन, काय करायचं आहे कोणत्या लेक्चरला ते. ओके, सो वी विल मूव टुवर्ड्स आवर ओन लेक्चर. ओके, आस्क मी इफ यू आर हॅव्हिंग एनी डाउट्स. आय विल वेट फॉर 2 minutes, otherwise I will start next point. Okay, now I will move towards the next point, that is the access modifiers, right? Till now we have not covered, only we have discussed what is meant by access modifiers. Now we will see actually access modifiers. Basically, there are types of access modifiers. First one is a simply whatever we are using like a private, default, protected, public. These are the access modifiers, and another one is a non-access modifiers. Okay, the access modifiers in a Java specifies the accessibility or scope of the field, method, constructor, or a class, right? We can change the access level of a fields, constructors, methods, and classes by applying the access modifier on it. Okay, so these are the four main access modifiers: private, default, protected, and public. Okay, so first one is a private. The access level of a private modifier is only within the class. Okay, when we are using private, whenever we want to access level, the access level of a private modifier. Okay, 1 minute, students. Wait for 1 minute. Okay, so sorry for that trouble. First one is a private. The access level of a private modifier is only within the class, right? The access level of a private modifier is only within the class. Okay, it cannot be accessed from outside the class, right? It cannot be accessed outside the class. Then for default one, the access level of a default modifier is only within the package. Okay, लक्षात येत आहे? The access level of a default modifier is only within the package. It cannot be accessed from outside the package. If you do not specify any access level, it will be the default one, right? Then third one is a protected. The access level of a protected modifier is within the package and outside the package through child class. Okay, so whenever you will come along with protected access modifier, then it will be accessed within the package and outside the package through child class. Okay, if you do not take you do not make a child class, it cannot be accessed from outside the package. ओके, जर चाइल्ड क्लास नाही क्रिएट केला तर तुम्ही ते पॅकेज प्रोटेक्टेड असेल तर यूज नाही करू शकत. नेक्स्ट, पब्लिक. द ऍक्सेस लेवल ऑफ अ पब्लिक मॉडिफायर इज एव्हरीवेअर. It can be accessed from within the class, outside the class, within the package, and outside the package. Okay, this is related to simply access modifiers. And if we are considering the non-access modifiers, these are nothing but the static, abstract, synchronized, native, volatile, transient, etc. Okay, so here only we are considering access modifiers because we are considering the encapsulation part. That's why only this much we are covering over here. First we will see its chart, then we will move towards its actual example. Okay, so see, private, default, protected, and public. Where we can use it, where we cannot use it, likewise. Okay, within the class, private members are accessible. All these members are accessible. Within package, private is not accessible within package, but remaining three are accessible. Then outside package by subclass only. फक्त protected आणि public हेच दोन फक्त आपण outside package with the help of a subclass means inheritance concept. फक्त प्रोटेक्टेड आणि पब्लिक ऍक्सेस करू शकतो आणि आउटसाइड द पॅकेज असेल तर ओनली public is applicable. Okay, so you have to remember this chat for your oral also, for your interviews also. Okay, so this is the simple chat. You can remember it, you can remember in this manner, so you can find out this is the way. Private is accessible only for within the class, default is accessible within the class as well as within package, protected is accessible within class within package, outside the package by subclass method, right? And public is accessible anywhere. It may be inside the class, outside the class, inside the package, outside the package. Okay, so for that we will see one example and then we will move towards the encapsulation part. Okay, so for that I will show you one example which we have already seen in the first part. Means in, suppose we have declared our program as a private, in that case suppose I have written one class A, in that one variable data is equal to suppose 20 is there, and I want to access this data in another class, and in that time, at the time of a compilation, it will generate a compile time error. Okay, because what we have mentioned here, it is accessed only inside the class. Okay, it is accessed only inside the class, so we cannot access it outside the class, so it will generate the error. Suppose I have written one variable inside one class A and I want to access in another class B, it will generate the compile time error. Okay, so I will not show its example, only I am saying orally. For next one is a default. Now see, in first package, I will show you that example. This will nothing but the default one in first. Okay, so this is the A, this is the B. Now see here, this one is the default one because we have not mentioned any access modifiers here. Sorry for inconvenience. Okay, see here. Here, suppose I have removed this part. Okay, I will kept it as a default one. I have taken same example which we have seen in first package. Okay, so I have removed only this part and I will recompile it. First I have to change the folder. Again I will set the path. Okay, I will compile it. Java C minus D dot, because we want to save in this program, sorry, in this directory, then Java. Okay, now see what it has done. It has given me error as, right, because what we have mentioned here, whenever we are creating default, we can access within the class, within the package, but outside the package with the help of a extend keyword, right? Right now I have not mentioned here as a extend, that's why it has given me it as a error. Okay, so for this purpose we cannot access it because here extend is not allowed over here, that's why it is generating an error. लक्षात येत आहे? म्हणून एनकॅप्सुलेशन अचीव करण्यासाठी ह्या पण प्रोसेसेस आहे, राईट? So I will keep it one and the same. Then next, for public, before public, protected is there. So we will see first the protected in the same example. Don't confuse in between. Okay, if you are having any confusion you can ask me. Now see, in place of a public, I will write here as a protected. Okay, so I have written here as a protected, and now I will first compile it for showing you. Okay, now see here it has given me message as a object.message which we have written over B. इथे error दाखवली का तर आपण extend नाही करून घेतलं, right? Because we have mentioned over here as we have to extend it, then and then only this will be possible. So first I will write here extends, right? Extends class A. I will save it. Then again I will compile it. Okay. Sorry, S is missing. Okay. Now see what it is showing. It is showing me that object.message error has protected access in A. That's why it is showing me like this. Okay. Now see how to tackle with this. See here. I will explain it once again. Public class घेतला, right? इथं मी काय केलं, protected केली ही method. Then class B मध्ये त्याला extend करून घेतला, right? Main method object of A, right? Now see why it is showing me error. Now we have extended class A in our class B, so we should create object of a class B. Okay, we should create object of a class B, then and then only it will be accessible. Okay, first of all I will save it. Now see, I will again compile it. Understood? I have done all this process because for which point which error will be there, that's why I have shown you one by one. Okay, त्यामुळे मी स्टेप वाइज गेलेली होते जेणेकरून तुम्हाला एरर तुमचं तुम्ही सॉल्व करत असताना काढता यायला पाहिजे. डॉट क्लास कोणता होता आपला बी, सो क्लास बी hello will be get printed. Okay, so which is nothing but with the help of a protected, and for public we have already completed. Okay, हे जे आत्ताचं एक्झाम्पल होतं ते पब्लिक नीच होतं, राईट? ते आत्ताच आपण ऑलरेडी कव्हर केलेलं होतं. दॅट्स वाय वी विल स्किप दॅट पार्ट अँड वी विल मूव टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. ओके, so any queries regarding this? So we can move towards the actual encapsulation concept. No queries? Okay. Now I will move towards the next concept, that is the encapsulation. First I will come out of this because we have to again go inside the folder, that is the encapsulation, and again set the part because I have stored program inside it, that's why. Okay, so first we will see what is meant by encapsulation. Encapsulation in Java is a process of wrapping code and data together into a single unit. Okay, what is meant by encapsulation? It is a process of wrapping code and data together into a single unit. For example, capsule which is mixed with several medicines, right? So we can create a fully encapsulated class in Java by making all the data members of the class private. Okay, this will be one method. Now we can use setter and getter methods to set and get the data in it. Okay, so this one is also one method. In Java bean class is the example of fully encapsulated class. Okay, Java bean हे पण एक example आहे fully encapsulation साठी. Before moving towards the programs, first we will see the advantages of encapsulation, right? So first advantage is that by providing only a setter or getter method, you can make a class read only or write only. Okay, सो एनकॅप्सुलेशन ही कन्सेप्ट अचीव्ह करण्यासाठी जसं आपण ऍक्सेस मॉडिफायर्स आणि पॅकेजेस चेक केलेत त्याचप्रमाणे सेटर व गेटर मेथड यूज करून सुद्धा तुम्ही एनकॅप्सुलेशन अचीव्ह करू शकता. ओके. If you have used setter, then read only access will be there, and if you have used getter, then write only access is there. In another word, you can skip the getter or setter methods. Okay, only one method you can use for completing your program as per your requirement. Okay, it provides you the control over the data. Suppose second, uh, I'm in the second. Okay. Second advantage, it provides you the control over the data. Suppose you want to set the value of a ID which should be greater than 100 only. Okay, so you can set this value, right? You can write the logic inside the setter method, that is the value is must be greater than 100. You can write the logic not to store the negative numbers in the setter methods. Okay, so whatever logic is there you want to write, you can write in the setter method. Then third advantage, it is a way to achieve data hiding in Java because other class will not be able to access the data through the private data members. Okay, it is a way to achieve data hiding in the Java because other class will not be able to access the data through private data members. Okay, then fourth one, the encapsulation class is easy to test, so it is better for unit testing. Okay, what is meant by testing? What are the types of a testing? All things will be covered in the software engineering. Okay, then another subject is the software testing and quality assurance (STQA), which is present maybe in the next semester. So in that subject you will find out how many types of testings are there, how to do it, all these things, which tools are used likewise. Okay, so encapsulate class is easy to test. Then last advantage, the standard IDs are providing the facility to generate the getters and setters, so it is easy and fast to create an encapsulated class in a Java. Okay, so these are the some advantages which mainly focused in the programs while creating the or while providing the encapsulation, right? So we will see its example now. First I will explain the example, then we will run it. Means we will execute it. Now see what I have done. First I have created user defined package com in that sub package T. Okay, right? Then class name is a student. Now see here private member is used. Okay, here private member is used. Then uh, get name method is nothing but the getter part, right? It will take name on the console window, means it will do the process of a printing, and set name is nothing but the taking input from the user. See here this dot name is equal to this because we have kept variable names as one and the same like here and in the method. That's why this keyword is used. Okay, so this is the simple class student. Then another class is a test. First I will open both the classes so it will be very easy. Okay, for test class also I have used the package com in that TC sub package. Main method is there. Then I have created object of a student class. Then s dot set name because we have to take a value from the user. That's why we are providing through setter method, and we are printing it on the console with the help of a getter method. Okay, so you can design your own names. Here set name and get name I have designed. You can write it as a set full name, get full name likewise. Now you have to compile it. Okay, you have to compile it. Now anybody can tell me how to compile it because we have done many programs over here right now. So can you tell me how to compile it? Or should I check a volunteer? Yes. Should I take volunteer? Why only few members are there? Okay, better option. I will choose the volunteer. Okay, Bhaskar, can you unmute your mic for 2 to 4 minutes? Yes, Bhaskar. Bhaskar. Okay, anybody can give him message. Okay. Uh, can you tell me how to compile this program? Yes, no problem. You are having mic problem, no problem. You can mention in the chat box how to compile it. Should I open this program first? Okay. So mention in the chat box which command is used to compile this program. Okay, and execute this program. You can directly mention in the chat box, no issues. Okay, you have mentioned here as a Java C only test. Okay, see here what will happen when you will execute likewise. जसं आपण मगाशच्या एका प्रोग्रामला चेक केलं होतं पॅकेजेसच्या राईट जर मी सिम्पली जावा सी आणि तुमचं प्रोग्रामचं नेम आहे टेस्ट राईट जर मी असं कंपाईल केलं तर काय होणार आहे इथंच डॉट क्लास फाईल क्रिएट होईल राईट आणि ती कोणाची क्रिएट होती ते पण चेक करा सी ही इट हॅज जनरेटेड वन एरर राईट का तर आपण पॅकेजची कन्सेप्ट यूज करतोय सी हिअर पॅकेज कन्सेप्ट इज देअर com.t so you have to sorry you have to run this program as -d then dot now see I will only compile the test.java see what will happen it has given me error as a student because we have not compiled first the student so you can directly compile both the programs so it will directly take it जर मी simply इथे मेन्शन केल्याप्रमाणे जर मी सिम्पली एवढंच एक कंपाईल केलं तर काय होतंय ही एरर जनरेट होती का तर दोन्ही कंपाईल व्हायला पाहिजे आणि जर मी दोन्ही इथेच कंपाईल केलं स्टार डॉट जावा तर तुमचं पॅकेज जनरेट होणार नाही म्हणजे जी ऍक्च्युअल एनकॅप्सुलेशन प्रोसेस आहे ती नाही जनरेट होणार सिम्पल प्रोसेस जनरेट होईल सो यू हॅव टू डू लाईक वाईज नाव सी इट हॅज गिवन मी एरर ॲज अ नेम ओके here colon is not there Okay, now you have to see whatever present over here. दोन्ही डॉट क्लास फाईल इथेच प्रेझेंट आहे, राईट? दोन्ही डॉट क्लास फाईल तुमच्या कुठे आलेल्या आहेत? सेम फोल्डर मध्ये, कारण आपण दोघांनाही सेम पॅकेज दिलं होतं. सो हाऊ यू कॅन कंपाईल इट? फॉर कंपायलेशन you have to do as java dev. com is one package, t is sub package, and dot class file name is a test. Okay, dot class file name is a test. Java space com.te dot test. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay, so this is the encapsulation process.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you show the program, both program?
okay, I will show you. Okay, 1 minute. I will keep it aside so you can see it easily. One minute. Okay, you can take it. Any queries? I have shown you a very simple example. Now I will provide you one statement. Okay. First of all, take it down so I can provide you one statement. Have you taken? Yes, have you taken?
Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So I will give you one statement. You have to implement it, and in next lecture I will take first group 41 to 50. Okay, be careful. I am asking regarding this question of encapsulation. ठीक आहे, एनकॅप्सुलेशनचा क्वेश्चन आहे. एक स्टेटमेंट देते रोल नंबर 41 पासून 50 पर्यंत. त्याच्यापैकी मी 2 ते 3 स्टुडंट्सना हा क्वेश्चन विचारणार आहे. ठीक आहे, तर तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे? Remaining also you can do it. You can share your screen, no issues. But I am taking very few because we are having only 2 hours with us. That's why I am taking group of students. Out of that, I am selecting 2 or 4. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to take a one class having name as an account. Okay. In that you have to set 4 values. Which are those 4 values? Or you can take 3 values. No issues. First is account number. So totally 4 values are there because we have to take string values also. So I will tell you which you have to take in your program. Okay, first name is class is the account. In that you have to take values as a account number, name, email ID, and total amount. Okay, so total 4 values are there: account number, name, email ID, and amount. Okay, so you can take these values with the help of a set method. Means setter. Suppose for account number is there, you can take it as a set account number and you can create its method. So you have to take all these 4 values with the help of a setter method, and again you have to print all these values on the console with the help of a getter method. Okay, so total 8 methods are there: 4 setter and 4 getter. Okay, next. In another class, you can give your own names. In another class, you have to take a main method. Okay, in that main method, you have to access this account class, and through this object of a account class, you have to provide all these 4 values. Means account number, name, email ID, and total amount. Okay, and only you have to print on the console. Same process is there. Right now we have seen for the name of a student, set name and get name. So same process is you have to apply for these 4 values. Okay, so from roll number 41 to 50, I am randomly choose 2 or 4 roll numbers. you have to share those programs with us at the time of a lecture. Okay, if you are not having mobile, then no problem, you can write on the pages, or as I told you, you can use the doc file, doc app, or slides. In that you can paste your program, those you have compiled on the online compiler. But this will take some issues if you are running on the online. So those who are not having laptop or desktop, they can write on the one paper or in the doc file, and you can share this file with us, no issues. Okay, from roll number 41 to 50. Understood? Or you are having any queries regarding that program? And from here onwards, strictly checking is there. Okay, जे मी तुम्हाला इथं प्रोग्राम सांगते ते नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला 110% चेक होणार आहे, राईट? सो टेक इट सिरियसली बिकॉज दिस विल बी काउंटेड ॲज युअर इंटरनल मार्क्स. ओके, त्यामुळे सगळे टोटल 80च्या 80 रोल नंबर्स कव्हर होतील ऑल लेक्चर्स मध्ये मिळून. असं नाही होणार की प्रत्येकाला रिपिटेशन असेल किंवा कुणाचा नंबर येणार नाही, असं पण नाही होणार. इथं मी सेपरेट काउंट क्रिएट केलेला आहे. त्यापैकी जे चेक करणारे ज्यांनी करेक्टली आन्सर्स दिलेले, करेक्ट द्या अथवा न द्या, पण तुम्ही तिथे प्रेझेंट करणं गरजेचं आहे, राईट? सो वी कॅन फाइंड आउट युअर डुईंग फ्रॉम युअर साइड. Okay, because you are unable to write its lab manuals, then triple P's or your practice which we are doing in our labs. Okay, that's why we have started such type of a practices. Okay, any queries? Yes, any queries are there? Okay, I will first stop the recording.